All right, we are right here on a Kwakol market sign up page. If you click the link in the video description right now, it will bring you up to this page whereby you can go ahead and sign up and start trading synthetic indices on Kwakol markets right away. So the first thing that I will do when I come to this sign up page is quickly change my browsing mode to desktop, right? So I just tap on the menu bar right here, then I'll go all the way down to desktop side, tap on it and change it right away before I proceed, right? So once I've changed it this way, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to zoom in, then enter my details. So the first name, I'll go ahead and enter my first name, Godsway. All right there. Last name, I'll enter Amuzu right there. Then phone number, probably I have to change my country from here, so I'm going to select Ghana from the list of countries available right here. So let's do that quickly. Good, Ghana is right here. I'll go ahead and enter my phone number, right? So I'll just add it to it. Good. Then I'll select my country. Of course, I'm a Ghanaian, so I got to select Ghana right here. All right, so this is Ghana right here. Selected it. Now I'll go ahead and enter my Gmail. So let me do that quickly. For your Gmail, make sure there's no space before your Gmail and there's no space after the Gmail, just to make sure your registration goes through successfully, right? So I'll go ahead and select my password, so I'll do this and get back to you right away. All right, then from here I'll tap on continue, right? I hope you can see this right here. I'll tap on continue and let's see. All right, so they say they've sent a code to my my Gmail account. So what I need to do is quickly go to my Gmail account and locate this code right away. So I'll see you. So right here in my Gmail account, you can see we have Kwakol Market Limited registration confirmation. So dear Godsway, thank you for so and so email confirmation. All right, please confirm your email by entering the code so and so or clicking the button below. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and click the button below. All right, or I can equally go ahead and copy this number right here, then go back to the main page and enter this number right here. Okay, then email confirmation has been done successfully. So all I need to do right now is to sign into the account right away, then we can start from there, right? So what I'm going to do is to enter my Gmail account and sign in. Right, once my details are correct, I'll just go ahead and sign in. Good, so it is loading now. All right, so when you sign up, this is what you are going to see, right? You could see that the registration went through successfully with no hassle. Just follow the steps that I went through. First off, turn your browsing mode to desktop and you are good to go, right? So right now we are on a dashboard, okay? The dashboard right here, that is where we are currently. And I'm just going to close this tab because I don't need it right away. Okay, so what you have to do before you start trading, right? Let's go to trading accounts because that's the main thing that we want to do, right? So when we come to trading accounts, and for us, I am interested in synthetic indices, so probably I'll be checking out the MT5, right? I'll be checking out the MT5. So I'll tap on MT5 and let's see what is there. All right, so when you come here, you can create a demo account or create a live account. You can see it right here at the top, demo account, live account. So the one that you want to create, you go ahead and create it. Okay, we have live and demo right here. Okay, so look at this. I wanted to take note of this. The section which is platform, you take note of it, right? Now I'm going to take you through how to create any of these two accounts, right? But it will be more important when you create a live account directly. However, let's start from the demo account, right? Assuming you want to create a demo account, just tap on the platform and from here you select synthetic indices because that is the only account that you can use to trade this simulated market, which is the synthetic indices. The pro account and ECN account is just for currency pairs only, right? So you tap on synthetic account. Then from here you select the currency that you want your account to be in. It can be in the US dollar, naira, or South African ZAR, right? So I'm going to leave it at USD. And the leverage, we have 1:1,000 and 1:200. And I believe you all know about leverage already. The higher the leverage, the more riskier the trade becomes, and also the more you stand to make profit from the trades. But listen, it is more important that you use the smallest leverage available over here, especially if you are not that much into trading, or if you don't have much knowledge about trading like that. Okay, so we're going to leave it at 1,000. All right, 1:1,000, right? And the amount for your demo account varies. The smallest amount right here is $500. Then we have 1,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, right? So yeah, it's advisable you go with the smallest one for now. All right, so over here you can just tap on open account and you are good to go. That is it about you opening a demo account, in case you want to try out market and see how best you can relate to it. So I'm going to tap on open account right now. Then we will see what we do from there. Good. So we have option over here, right? This is our demo account right here, and this is our login, right? I just tap on a demo account so that we could see all the details available right here. Okay, so account details, the date created, so and so. What we have to do, we have our account number right there. So over here, when you tap on the settings icon right here, it will bring you to a platform like this, whereby you can change your password and stuff like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to change the name. All right, right now by default the account name is this, right? But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to copy this and keep it somewhere. All right, so I'm going to change the name to, let's say, Godsway trial, right? Okay, so I'll tap on change right after this. Then we go back to this page, right? I'm going to change the password too, so I'll tap on reset password. Then I'll come here, right? We have the investor password and the master password. The investor password allows any other person to have access to your account. I mean, to have a general overview of your account without having access to either place a trade or withdraw money, right? The person can only view the account. So the master password is the main password for your account that allows you to trade, withdraw, deposit, and do a lot of stuff right here. So I'm going to go to the master password. Then I'll tap on proceed. From there, I'll not choose random option. I want my own password, so I'll tap on manual and I'll tap on proceed. Then over here, they still have to send me an email to my Gmail account, so I'm going to locate that quickly. All right, so I am right here into my Gmail account, so please enter the recovery code or click so and so. So I'm going to copy that code again. All right, copy it, go back to the page and just enter the code right here. All right, so right now I'm going to provide my password, so let me do that quickly and get back to you. All right, so once I've entered everything successfully, I'll tap on proceed. All right, I've reset my password successfully. Now we can proceed to other parts. All right, so this is my account login, the number right here before my name. So I'll copy this number and go to my MT5 platform and try to log in, right? But let's say you open your MT5 account from scratch. This is how the interface is going to look like. Then you tap on this menu bar, then you go to manage accounts, then you tap on the plus sign right here. Then you go ahead and search for a broker called Kwakol, and by default it will appear, right? Kwakol market. So you tap on it, then For the login, you paste the number you copied, then over here you enter your password and you're good to go. Alright, so from here I'll tap on login and let's see. Alright, so it has come here successfully, and you can see it is the demo account that we've logged in onto our MT5 platform right here. So I'm going to go to the chart and see. Good, you can see there's power 100 index. Let's see the codes available. We have power 100. So that is it about opening a demo account. How about if you want to open a live account? It is still the same process. Let me just take you through quickly, then we proceed. Right, so opening a live account is the same process as we've gone through earlier. So I'm going to go to MT5 again, right? So from here, like we open the demo account, we come to the live account, we also select our platform, we select synthetic indices, and of course I'm going to leave all the details over here like that. Then I'll tap on open account. Right, from here it has taken me to this, right, this page. Now what can we do over here? I'll just tap on this, right, tap on this part, then it will allow me to proceed with whatever I want to do. Okay, and if you want to change your password and stuff like that, you come to the settings icon over here, you tap on it, and you can also change your username and reset. So for now I'm just going to change my username right here. I'm going to enter username like Godsway main. Alright, this is no more a trial, so I'm going to name it like Godsway name. So I'll tap on change and I'm going to leave it right there. And also I'm going to work on my password as well. I'm going to reset it and I'm going to use a master password. Proceed, then I'll go to manual, tap on proceed again. From here I need to go to my Gmail account again, right? Good, this is the email I'm waiting for. It is right here. I'll copy this number, come here, paste it right here, then it will allow me to enter my my preferred password right now. So let me do that and get back to you. Alright, so once I've entered the password, I'll just tap on proceed like we did in a demo account, right? So basically that is it about you creating a live account and a demo account on a Kwakol FX market. And if you want to log into this account on your MT5, it's the same process we went through earlier. Let me copy this and go back to my MT5 right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to manage accounts again, tap on this, go to Kwakol markets, then I'll enter my login details. Then here I'll tap on login. Alright, so you can see it is right here now. It is no more a demo account, right? It is no more a demo account. It's a real account. I've not made any deposit into it right now as I'm illustrating to you. So in the next set of videos, I'll show you more about this Kwakol FX, right? So to register, the link is in the video description. Go ahead, click on it, and it will take you to the sign up page. Just follow the steps I've demonstrated in this video and you are good to go. Let's go make some money from these synthetic indices from Kwakol markets. Let's go, right? And of course, if you like this video and you want more of these videos on forex trading and stuff like this, go ahead and hit that like button on the video and also subscribe, turn on post notification for more contents coming your way, right?